Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today is Tippin Tuesday, and I don't know. I may share a few tips today. Not exactly sure. Let me turn this noise down. Not exactly sure how many tips I'll share today, but they're all, this month is December, which is my month of light. Should be your month of light too. And they'll all be geared towards sharing your light. But I don't know if you've noticed it, but just about everything that I do is geared towards sharing light. This has been some journey. It continues to be some journey. What you think sharing light looks like might not be what it looks like. Um, I've talked about what your stage looks like, and by that meaning the people that you expect to impact and reach. Here's the thing. At first I was like, maybe that's not the ones, those aren't the ones you're supposed to impact. But the reality is, maybe you don't know you're impacting them, even though you are. So anyway, back to today, Tippin Tuesday, Let Your Light Shine. Talked about some rituals, morning rituals, morning routines. I prefer the word ritual. I used to stay away from it because people had ideas about what the words ritual meant. They have these negative things. A ritual is simply something you do every day. And routine, when I think about it, it seems mundane, like working. And I don't want it to seem like that. I like what I do. So anyway, I am meditated up. I am prayed up. I am crystal energied up. And that means that I put myself on my calendar this morning. I have stretched. You should too, because that is one of the things that we do, the least of all things that we do. We don't stretch enough. And then we wonder why we're so stiff. Guess what? It's because you didn't use it. So we should be stretching. I have tried to stay away from watching the negative things that go on in society right now. Um, Locally, there are a lot of things going on that I just simply need to be aware of, especially since I'm a nurse practitioner. And I'm active in the community, and I have kids and I have family. So there's some things you need to be aware of, but yeah, not beating that dead horse, because we want to bring positivity into the world and raise the vibrations. I want you to think about the vibrations and light like this. Think about them as you do everything on earth. So think about the light like the sun and the moon. Recently, we've had a lot of cloudy days, and so it looks kind of gray here in Toledo, overcast. As a matter of fact, I believe the news said it has been overcast and cloudy for, this is the seventh day, I believe. So think about what that looks like on you. If you don't let your light shine, you're overcast and you're cloudy. Now, I want you to think about vibrations, as in, like earthquakes or thunder. I know earthquakes can seem kind of scary, but what if an earthquake happens where no one is affected? Imagine the vibration. It's so robust. It's amazing. So put those two things together. You put the light from the sun or the moon and the vibration of the earthquake or rolling thunder. Imagine what that feels like. Just sit with it for a moment. Now imagine that's what you are when you let your light shine and you raise your vibrations. All right, it's Tippin Tuesday, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Peace and love.